Hello, my name is Mark Smith, and I'm the Technology Integration Program Manager at the U.S. Department of Energy. I'm thrilled to congratulate the Southeast Louisiana Clean Fuel Partnership on 10 years as a Department of Energy designated Clean Cities Coalition. Since the first Clean Cities Coalition was designated back in 1993, coalitions have helped communities diversify fuel sources and reduce costs with strategies such as alternative fuel use, fuel economy improvements, advanced technology vehicles, and auto reduction measures. Clean Cities coalitions across the country are working together to utilize domestic fuels and spur economic growth even more in the years ahead. I want to thank Rebecca Oddie, the Clean Fuel Partnership Coordinator, for her leadership over the past decade. She has played a critical role in leading local efforts to make educated transportation choices and pulling together successful projects. Rebecca has been involved with the coalition from the very beginning and is the glue holding it together. Her stakeholders appreciate Rebecca's reliability, trustworthiness, energy, and for her ability to recruit fleets to engage in coalition activities. Rebecca is widely respected within the national network of Clean Cities coordinators and actively participates in opportunities to collaborate with other coalitions. We're also excited that through the support of our University Workforce Development Program, Courtney Young joined her efforts in 2014. The Clean Fuel Partnership has benefited from Courtney's fresh perspective, energy, and innovative ideas. Over the years, the Southeast Louisiana Clean Fuel Partnership has served as an unbiased source of information for a wide range of stakeholders. Rebecca and Courtney have helped stakeholders identify funding opportunities and form partnerships for transportation projects. The Southeast Louisiana Clean Fuel Partnership is made up of local and state government partners, fleets, fuel providers, vehicle manufacturers, and technology providers. I want to recognize the New Orleans Regional Planning Commission for hosting the coalition and the Louisiana Department of Natural Resources for providing financial support. The dedication of coalition stakeholders can be seen in the many fleets who are embracing alternative fuels and advanced vehicle technologies. Airport Shuttle was a coalition member from the very start, and they now power all 30 of their shuttles with propane. Don DuVernay is a regular presenter at the coalition's propane-focused events, and participants appreciate hearing from a fleet owner with his depth of experience. Jefferson Transit, the transit provider for Jefferson Parish, was the first transit fleet in Southeast Louisiana to use biodiesel. They recently converted 12 paratransit vehicles to propane. These alternative fuels complement their auto reduction and fuel economy efforts, which include improved maintenance, replacing air filters more frequently, and increased tire pressure monitoring. Park and Fly partnered with Clean Energy to install a public CNG station near the New Orleans airport and converted 10 of Park and Fly's shuttle buses to CNG. This project was supported by the U.S. Department of Energy Recovery Act funding and through the Louisiana Department of Natural Resources. Drivers appreciate the quieter operations with these vehicles. The Port of New Orleans' reinvigorated environmental program is working on a variety of fronts to implement clean transportation projects with support from Southeast Louisiana Clean Fuel Partnership. The coalition and port partnered with Nissan to add 2 all-electric Nissan Leafs to their operations and are currently implementing an auto reduction program. The coalition has also helped the port to access clean diesel funding to replace old drayage trucks with newer, more efficient models. Jeff Canton, president of Solar Alternatives, a solar panel and EV charger installation company, has been a constant supporter and promoter of electric vehicles. Solar Alternatives' fleet include a plug-in hybrid and all-electric vehicles. Jeff generously shares his expertise on incorporating electric drive vehicles and fleets with other coalition stakeholders. The New Orleans Regional Transit Authority was another early adopter of alternative fuels, using electricity for powering streetcars along St. Charles Avenue since 1835. Today, RTA uses biodiesel and hybrid buses and is exploring electric buses for their future fleet. These are just a few of the highlights from the many stakeholders and fleets in the Clean Fuel Partnership. The U.S. Department of Energy values the commitment of stakeholders in Southeast Louisiana and across the national network of Clean Cities coalitions. Stakeholders who participate locally benefit from partnerships they build with one another. Fleets connect with alternative fuel providers, business owners meet up with local government leaders, fleet managers learn from the experiences of their peers who have taken on successful projects, and vehicle dealerships connect with municipalities and utilities. Clean Cities coalitions serve as a forum for all the puzzle pieces to come together for successful transportation projects. Thank you to the Southeast Louisiana Clean Fuel Partnership, and congratulations on all your accomplishments over the past 10 years.